Hello everyone, my name is Michelle, and today we are going to be reviewing questions 11 through 15 on the 2015 Virginia Algebra II SOL. So here, question 11. What non-zero value of x is a solution to the following equation? Alright, so what we're going to do is we need all of the denominators to be similar, so we're going to find the least common denominator. In this case, it is 15. So we're going to multiply every fraction by a number. That will get the denominator 15x, I bet. Alright, so first for x plus 2 divided by x, we're going to multiply this by 15 plus x minus 6, 3x, we're going to multiply this by 5, plus equals 2x plus 9, 5x times 3. We're going to multiply this one by 3. Next, we're going to distribute everything. So, distribute this, we get 15x plus 30 divided by 15x plus 5x minus 30 divided by 15x equals 6x plus 27 divided by 15x. Now, since our denominators are similar, we can just solve normally. We're going to solve the numerators. We're going to go 15x plus 5x, 20x, plus 30 minus 30, that will cancel out. I'll go over 15x, which equals 6x plus 27 divided by 15x. So now what I'm going to do is subtract 6x plus 27 divided by 15x on both sides. Now we're going to get 20x divided by 15 minus 6x plus 27 divided by 15x equals 0. And we're going to solve the numerators. See, 20x minus 6x is 14x. Minus 27 divided by 15x equals 0. Multiply 15x on both sides. We get 14x minus 27 equals 0. We add 27 on both sides. We get 14x equals 27. And divide by 14 on both sides. And we get 27 divided by 14. And that is the value of x. Let me go back up. 27 divided by 14, our answer is A. Alright, move on to question 12. Let me just erase this. Alright, so how many values of x will satisfy the equation negative 2 times the absolute value of 3x minus 5 equals 0? So what we're going to do, we're going to isolate the absolute value sign. And I do have another video talking about how to solve absolute value equations. So what we're going to do is divide negative 2 on both sides. 0 divided by negative 2 is still 0. We're going to make a positive and negative equation. So we have 3x minus 5 equals 0. And since this is 0, so both the equations will be the same. So we can just solve one. So 3x plus 5. So add 5 on both sides, my bad. And then divide by 3. So that will be our final answer. We can see that the other, since the number is 0, there's no positive or negative version. So the number of values of x will only be 1 instead of the usual 2. So our answer is B. Alright, let's move on to question 13. Which graph best represents the solutions for y is less than square root, the absolute value of x plus 4 minus 1? So let's first plot the vertices. So her vertex would be at -4, -1. So let's see, this is -4, +1, so nope. -4, -1, that one's fine. -4, +1, nope. Alright, so since y is less than, we are going to, the shaded area will be below, I believe. Will be below the graph. So the answer is B. Let me just double check that. So say we take any point inside the shaded area. Let's just do 0, 0 and plug it back into our equation. So if x equals 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. Absolute value of 4 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 3 would be greater than if 0 when y equals 0. Let's try it with a point outside the shaded area. 0, 5 when x equals 0. Let's see, plus 4, 3, and 5, and that would be 5 is less than 3, which is incorrect, so B is the answer. Alright, let's move on to question 14. What is a solution of the square root of 7 minus 2x plus 5 equals 8? So we're going to solve for x. First, we're going to subtract 5 on both sides and get, get 3. Then we're going to square root both sides. And we'll get us 7 minus 2x equals 9. Subtract 7 on both sides. Get negative 2x equals 2. And we will divide by negative 2 on both sides. And you will get x equals -1. Alright, so our answer is D. Let's move on to 15. What is the apparent solution set of the system of equations graphed on the following grid? Alright, so the solution set will be the points where the graphs intersect. Let's see, which is here and here. That looks like -4, 3, and -1, 0. So our answer is C. Alright, that's all the questions we will be doing today. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you learned something. Have a great day.